Hello everyone. So in our previous session we have done the 2D mechanical drawings, but now we'll do the dimensioning over the drawing. Okay, so hope you all are guys ready, and really I'm very happy that our channel hit the 1K subscribers very soon, and I really अप्रिशिएट टू योर ऑल एफर्ट. बहुत खुश हूँ. बहुत कम टाइम में मेरे चैनल पे 1K सब्सक्राइबर्स कंप्लीट हो गए हैं, और बहुत ही जल्द वॉच टाइम का भी वो फंडामेंटल जो भी है वो भी कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे. तो इसी तरह से सपोर्ट करते रहिए, और आई विल ट्राई टू गिव यू द बेस्ट कंटेंट एवर इन AutoCAD which I have knowledge or experience about AutoCAD. I'll share with you everything. So guys, let's get started our lecture on dimensioning. So we'll do the dimensioning over this drawing. We'll do from here. Okay, so for the dimensioning, first of all you have to go to the annotation panel. In the annotation panel you will see here the dimension. Okay, click over here, and now you can give the dimension to your drawings. Click anywhere of any point. I'll just start from this end point. I just click over here, and I just end towards the this end point. Okay, so I have to check this distance. This is how much. Actually this is not actually a fix. Okay, so go to again dimension and just clearly check your points. Okay, end point to end point, and now move your cursor downward. Okay, so here it is given 30 mm, which is we have done. Okay, 30 mm line we have done. So, and this is actually showing very when I just left click, when I do left click, so you can see here the size is tiny small, the size is very small. Okay, it is not showing properly. So for that we'll do some settings over the dimensions. Okay, and you can see here also the 30.0000 or the precision. So we are talking about the precision, it is about 4 decimal. Okay, so we'll do the settings, that how we can do the proper dimensions over the drawing. So I just delete this. Okay, so the shortcut key for open the dimension style manager, which is D enter. Press D from your keyboard and press enter. D, press enter. You will see the dialog box will be open, or the dimension style manager will be open. Okay, so here we'll do the dimension. So you have to go to the modify setting, click over here, and see the modify dimension style standard. Okay, and now you can see here the changes you can do this. Okay, so first of all we'll go to the fit option. Okay, so click on the fit option, and now go to the use over scale of. Here it is given by default, which is 1. So we have to change the scale or the size of the text. So you can give any according to your desirable value, but I'll try to give here 15. So I just press 15, and now we'll do some another settings also. So then after, we'll go to the primary units. Okay, click over here, and now you will get this unit format decimal, okay, which is already set. Okay, so this is not been issued. If you are working with a floor plan, or if you are working in architectural, then you will click and select here architectural, but this is the mechanical drawing, so we have to set it to the decimal form. All right, so precision की बात की जाए अगर यहाँ पे, so we talk about the precision. So just click over here, you can choose here any particular precision, okay, according to yourself, but I just take it very small, so that we'll get the more accuracy in our dimension. So I just click here one precision, okay, one decimal. So and now we'll also do some another settings. So we'll go to the text option, just click over here, and you can change here the text style also. Go here to the drop down menu, click, you can do any text style, but I do not do so. Okay, and now you can change the text color also. If you click here, you can see the options, so which is the suitable for you. You can set that. I'll just give the I think I'll just provide it red color, okay, or the green, anyone. So I just pick green color. So here you can see the changes, okay. Here you can see the preview, and now fill color. If you want to fill the color, so here anyone you can take color, so it will be filled. So you can see here, but I'll not filled here, so I'll click on none. Okay, now we'll talk about the text height. Text height doesn't matter, so I'll, if you can, then you can increase or decrease the size. I'll not tease this. Okay, then we'll come about the text alignment option. Here we have to just click on the align with dimension line. So click over this check mark. Okay, now, and here text placement you can see here. So go to the vertical and center option, so click over here, and I'll just click above, so that this dimension text will be above to the dimension line. So I just, now here you can see that it is situated at the center. So here you can see the preview, the text is between the dimension line, or text is situated to the center. But I'll do the above settings. So when I click above, so here you can see the preview, text will be above the this line. Okay, now we'll go to the symbol and arrow. Okay, here you can click, and now this is the symbol, and this is symbol which is anyone using any kind of dots or symbol. You can see here, if you are a architectural, then you can click to this architectural tick. So I'll not do this. Okay, so here the closed field option, okay, it doesn't matter. Arrow size, you can increase or decrease the arrow size. I'll show you. If I just increase the arrow size, I'll put here 0.36, 0.36. Okay, all right, and now will not do anything over here, and just go to the line option, and here you can dimension line option. You can see here color, you can change the dimension line color by go to the by block, and here you can choose any random color which is suitable for your drawing. I'll just click on the red. Okay, see the preview. All right, you can choose the line type also, which is center, continuous. So we want continuous, so uh, let it be. And there is more setting required, no. So here is all about okay for the complete dimensioning. Okay, so now just do okay here, and now close. Now we'll do the dimensioning. So here you can see that here the more parts, which is called the this is the segment, okay, line segment, and this is the circle, which is situated in the radius form or the diameter form. So we'll do that. So for do this completely, you have to come here on the linear option. So just click on this drop down menu. Here you can see the complete dimension style, particularly line option, which is the linear, align, angular, arc length, radius, diameter, ordinate, jogged. Okay, so first of all we'll do the dimension on our line. So just click on the linear, and now just I click to this end point, and now I just click to this end point, and now see here the dimension size, it will be all okay. So guys, here you can see the dimension. Okay, so I just click over here, which is the 30 size to the base of the rectangle. We'll do the text in the height of the rectangle. So again go to the linear option and just click here and click here. This is the 50 and we'll do this from mid to mid, which is the 5 gap. All right, and then now we'll do the center, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस हम लोग पिक करेंगे, विच इज़ 25. ओके, एंड फिर हम लोग यहाँ से लीनियर लेंगे. अगेन विल टेक लीनियर फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर, विच इज़ दी 20 All right, now we have to make the dimension over this two circle. So we'll take the diameter option. So for choose the diameter option, just go to the here, and now click on the diameter option. Just click over here, and now click to your internal circle and just place it over here. And now again go to the diameter option, and this time we'll take external diameter, which is 20. All right, this is done. So now we'll move another drawing. Now we'll move towards the other drawing. So for here I'll just choose the radius option. I just pick this and just place it over here. Again we'll give this circle. Okay, I'll give this radius, and I'll give this. First we'll do the for the radius. Okay, which is for the radius. First do the dimension for the radius or line, okay, which you have already set to the for the dimensioning. So now we'll take linear and which is 10, here to here, which is 77, here to here, which is 10, इस तरह से कर सकते हो डायमेंशनिंग. ओके, you can do the dimensioning like this. Is that simple? So you can try also. Okay, we'll do this. I'll choose the radius option. So I just click here, just simple, you have to click and nothing. Okay, I'll give here, and if you want the size more bigger, you can simply just same go to the fit option and try to increase your value. But this is, I think, suitable. Okay, this is the visible. So this bigger circle, radius 28, and this is radius 19. This is actually, here we can fix radius 10, and how much, this radius 6. Alright guys, and now we have to give the linear dimension. So for that, go to linear option, just click here to here, and just place it over here. All right, you can see it clearly. Okay, radius, I'll do here radius, again radius for the internal circle, radius 5, and then now again we'll choose the radius, or you can see here, if you once choose here any dimension, okay, or the any dimension mode, and now if you click over here, then your cursor just deactivated, okay, from your uh, dimension. Okay, so you can simple just press enter or press space bar, so it will be repeated. No need to go here again. Okay, so I just press enter, so you can see here the it is converted into your already set value, which is the in the radius form. So I just click here and just make the dimension. Okay, we'll take line this. We'll also check the height, also mention the height. So here you can mention about the drawing. Okay, radius, you can also choose the diameter option. Okay, now I choose the diameter option, just click over here, and now just click to this circle, diameter 30. I just give it here, diameter 10, and this is also a circle part. Okay, so I just give it diameter 40. All right, and now I just give the distance, mention the distance from here to here, and now I place it to this. All right, if any dimension missed, so don't worry. Okay, it is just a for the practice. Okay, so here actually the main reason is to tell you the procedure about the dimensions. You can also on your ortho mode so that your line will go straight perpendicularly. Hope guys all done. Okay, so hope you like our this lecture. So this is the totally based on the dimensioning. So if further if you get any problem, any query, just write down in our comment section. I'll try to clear your doubts, and also you can personally text me in our group. Okay, so thank you guys for watching.